So the gastric glands are present in the stomach region. In the stomach, these gastric glands, they contain various type of cells, and on the basis of their number, they can be divided into two types. So these are the two types of cell. The one which are found many in number, and the second which are found only fewer in number. Now many in number, we see that the first, or let's say the A cells, these are the chief cells or the peptic cells. The chief or the peptic cells are found many in number, and they are majorly responsible for the secretion of pepsinogen and prorenin. These are the two inactive enzymes which are found in the stomach, and they are majorly responsible for the protein digestion. Next, if we see, these are the parietal or the oxyntic cells. So the parietal or oxyntic cells, they secrete HCl and the Cassell's intrinsic factor. Now you must be wondering that what is the use of HCl in our stomach? Well, the HCl, it kills the microbes, and it also activates some enzymes like pepsinogen and prorenin. So the pepsinogen, it is an inactive enzyme, and with the help of HCl, it can be activated to turn into pepsin. Next, the Cassell's intrinsic factor, it is responsible for the absorption of vitamin B12. So the chief cells and the parietal cells, they are found many in number, and these are the products that they release. Lastly, we see that there are mucocytes or the goblet cells. The mucocytes or the goblet cells, they are responsible for the production of mucus. So what is the function of mucus? Well, the HCl, it can corrode the wall of the stomach, and hence the mucus, it protects the lining of the stomach from getting corroded. So this was about the cells which are found in the stomach, and these are many in number. Now there are some other cells present which are just few in number, and these are like the endocrine G cells. The endocrine G cells found in these gastric glands, they produce gastrin. So gastrin, it stimulates the gastric juices. This stimulates the secretion of gastric juices in the stomach. Next are the argentophin cells. The argentophin cells, they secrete a substance called serotonin. So serotonin, it stimulates the peristalsis movement of stomach, which means that it is the mechanical churning of food which occurs by the wave-like motion in the stomach's wall. The third type of cell, which are few in number, are the D cells. These D cells, they secrete somatostatin. Now these somatostatin, they suppress the release of other hormones from the digestive tract. So this was about the gastric gland, wherein we saw that there are two types of cells found in the stomach or in the gastric glands, which can be, many in number or fewer in number. So the many in number were the chief cells or the peptic cells, the parietal cells or the oxyntic cells, or the mucocytes or the goblet cells. Similarly, the ones which are found fewer in number are endocrine G cells, argentophin cells, and the D cells. So this was the gastric gland. Moving forward, let's see another gland, which is the liver.